Hello friends, my name is Mark and you're watching TechSPR. In today's video, we're going to build a complete music streaming app, just like Spotify, Ghana, or JioSav, where users can listen to songs, create playlists, explore albums, and stream music anytime, anywhere. We'll go step by step through UI design, backend integration, music player setup, and admin panel configuration. So by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional music streaming app ready to launch. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, because we post tutorials on real-world app development projects every week. If you face any issues while developing, don't worry, just ask in the comments, and I'll try my best to reply. And if you'd like our professional development team to build a ready-to-launch music streaming app for you, then simply place your order on TechSPR.net. Once you place the order, you can track your project progress directly in your dashboard, and our TechSPR team will complete it within 2 to 3 days. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and build your own music streaming app.